welcome back to Solana update today. And Solana is having a very consolidating price movement. Solana has been really good since the bottom of 2021 or 2022, as you may want to say, and we've seen the coin literally taking off from nearly $8 when it bottomed out back in January. So we've seen a growth of 26x so far, and we're not done. We're not done just yet, because we're really literally back to the all-time high previously, which was $251. So I think Solana, hands down, really good. Okay, performed the best. It literally performed better than SHIB, better than Doge, back to the all-time high. I think it's toe to toe with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a little bit ahead, but then again, I mean, no complaints that you're going from $8 all the way to $35. This is still always going to hunt me, because I always wanted to buy at $4. It had a technical target $4, but they say that don't try to pick the bottom. You're gonna have smelly fingers. I think I really tried to pick the bottom this time. Now you have touched this one massive resistance. The previous all-time high resistance was met, and you kind of got a little bit rejected here. Now if you do end up breaking, which is highly expected now, I mean, everything is breaking now. Bitcoin is making new all-time high, probably going to be moving to $120,000. Then we have a huge pattern that actually shows Solana is probably looking for $7,890. This is not me, this is what is appearing right in the charts. So that again can actually be another like 32x move to the upside. Now let's not even have the conversation about those people who bought down at $8, right? So that is like, holy man, this is huge. That's huge, right? 90x, you got like 90x going on in there. So that's it for, I think it's actually 900x, not even 90. I don't know, guys. Is it 900x or 90x? What am I doing? Okay, anyways, right? Anyways, we still need to see Solana climbing above that all-time high. Now keep in mind, we don't have that technical target just yet, not unless we don't really break above. Now one more thing is also that when you turn on the log scale, it actually gives you a very big high target. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the log scale here, and when you have the log scale off, you actually get a very different result. So if I do this again and I take the top to bottom, it's almost as if you have this huge this cup here, and you got that handle right over there, right? So the next technical target with the log scale turned off, we have Solana, which is looking to come up to $509. Okay, so this is right now the most realistic target. So the first one is $505 from $250, but that's the thing, you know, I don't really think that $505 is going to be the top, because I mean, so a lot of people bought at $259, $260. So you want to tell me that all they're getting is 100%, just 2x? That's it? It doesn't make any sense. But yes, at least we do know that at some point when we break above, we do have a $505. But I really think that, you know, we're going to actually continue to go to the upside. Now, one last thing is that since we have a $7,890 here, does it mean that if I take the top to bottom, do we have this price on the fibs or not? That's the golden question. Actually, we do. It's almost nearly to the 2 here. So you can see that's the 2 right over there. So if we did actually go to the 2, can we see how the previous bull run did? So basically, did we actually go to the 2 from this top to bottom? So I'm just going to take top to bottom one more time and place it right over there. And yes, you actually do end up going up to the 2 here, but you even continue to go all the way to the upside. But let's see what happens, man. I don't really know if we're going to do $7,890. And by the way, keep in mind, it's not a financial advice, and I still do not even know what the market cap is going to be at $7,890. I haven't really calculated this one, but I would say that, you know, something like $800 and maybe even $1,200 to me is very realistic. That's all I can say. So I think this area, it's just an area, this right over here is a place where it's very possible for Solana to really reach. Realistic speaking, being very realistic right now, that's where you can actually expect the prices to go. Anything above this, because this pattern shows 7890, nearly $8,000, well, I don't know, just enjoy if it happens. I mean, Bitcoin can do it, then why not Solana, right? Bitcoin did go from $238 to, 1,000, and then from 1,000 to 10,000, and then from 10,000, and now we're sitting at $100,000. So anything is possible in crypto, right? It's not that unrealistic either, but it's super, like beyond, a little bit beyond realistic right here. But that would be amazing for the people who are holding it. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see the next one, Office. Hey, I know you guys are scratching your head thinking, when am I going to exit the market? On Stupid Bitcoin podcast number 3, I've recorded the best video on exit strategy in the market. So click, it's right over here at the bottom of the screen, and watch that, because you deserve to exit with the best gains. And I don't want you to exit early. So watch this video ASAP if you're holding Pepe coin, Luna Classic, any altcoin, because exiting is really important. Thank me later.